Have you ever written a class with a large number of properties? Do your users have a hard time inspecting your objects? This video will teach you how to customize your object display. MATLAB class authors want their object display to be useful. However, this can be a challenging task. For example, when your class has lots of properties, it can be difficult for users to make sense of the object data. MATLAB's custom display mixin can help you better organize your object display to make sure users of your class get the most out of the information that is shown. Let's look at the employee info class. Here is what you see when you create an instance of this class and display it at the command line. It is difficult to process all the information being shown about the object due to the long list of properties. As the author of this class, one thing I notice is that some of these properties contain personal information that I may need to filter out from the display. Also, it's a long list. It may not fit on your screen. I would like to filter some of these properties from the display. Let's use the custom display mixin to filter out these properties. I'll have the employee info class inherit from the custom display mixin. Override getPropertyGroups using a string array of property names to specify which properties you want to show. With this change to the class display, this is what you see when you create an instance of the class and display it. We've been able to improve the display of employee info objects by narrowing down the list of properties. We have filtered out some of the properties in employee info like the salary and home address. The new display is easier to understand and is more compact. If you do need to show a lot of properties, you can arrange them into groups. Let's create an array of property groups and assign titles to each of those groups. The first group of properties contains employee personal information like the name and gender. The second group contains information about the job like the hire date. And the third group contains employee contact information, which includes emergency contact and work address. With this change to the class display, this is what you see when you create an instance of the class and display it. Note how properties have been split into groups with titles. A custom footer is a convenient way to display more information about the object. For example, it might be useful to know what operations this object supports. Let's add a custom footer to our employee info class using getFooter. This custom footer calls the methods function on the class. Let's create an instance of employee info class and display it to see the new display changes. Note the new footer on the object display. You can also customize your object header or use different display formats for scalars versus non-scalar arrays. The MATLAB documentation has more resources and examples on how to use the custom display mixin. This video has shown you how you can use the custom display mixin to filter out properties, organize them into different groups, include a display footer, and improve your overall object display.